Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vid. It's a beautiful Sunday here in city. Just a little beach day out with the fam. And at this point we just arrived, but getting stuff situated. We brought our table, chair, all of that. Joey walk within chair, right Joey? Say hi to our friends. All right, Josh is loosening up and pull out in chair and think Josh having like a ball, right Josh? Yeah. So guys, Obi and I went to bed like 2 in the morning, 2 a.m. and then because I'm the cook, got up like 7, put the chicken in the oven and get some stuff, go in on the stove, go back to bed, woke up like 8 again, and then did all the cooking. So honestly, I am hungry. I haven't had breakfast. Everybody else did have breakfast, but not me. So I feel like more I eat, honestly. So guys, we're gonna eat. So lovely. Yummy. Here guys, our salad, roasted chicken, rice and peas, fried fish, gravy, plantains, and we have avocado here. We have our juices for the children, ice water. Your husband, how you planting? Eat up your food, baby. Eat up, Jerry.
Alright. Food good,
Food good enough? Food good enough? I'm about to eat up, guys. So, see you when we're done. Aww. Wow, the breeze blowing so nicely, guys. Wow, I feel like I'm on the island. Yep. I can smell the water.
I smell the water.
It's lovely.
Did we come here before?
I'm sorry. Ooh, the beach is packed, guys. Daddy runs on the water.
It's not like wet and touch.
What are the twins doing? What are the twins doing? Joey, you want to go out further? You want to come with mommy? Come. Alright. Jackie, come with mommy, guys. The sun is so pretty. You see, Ellie? The sun very pretty.
Throw that 6-pack on the beach there.
Guys, I'm giving Obi a sand bath. Did you know that sweating detoxifies the body and the sand grain exfoliate dry skin? Well, the weight of the sand helps to relax the muscles and quiet the mind. Due to the sand's mineral composition, sand amounts are also used to combat skin conditions such as acne, psoriasis, and other medical ailments. We caught a jellyfish. Look at this beautiful jellyfish.
Beautiful but dangerous.
I know, right? Don't touch it. Wow, you're in a jellyfish, little baby, see?
Skinny.
Wow, look at that.
Daddy, isn't touch at the top of it? It was stinky.
Don't touch it at all.
Maybe not.
Why you want to touch it? Babe! Ew, ew. First time I really see one, babe. Daddy, careful.
I see its tentacles there.
Don't touch. Me see it too. Me see it underneath. It's pretty though. Wow. Beautiful. Guys, it's the first I'm ever seen a jellyfish. Wow. Never seen one with this color. Always see the clear one. Well, on TV, that is. Can you believe that guys was in the water with us? I'm not sure if y'all know about this Jamaican I don't know if a Jamaican saying or so, but growing up I always hear people say, like, whenever a pregnant person, you know, goes in the water, like the water really get rough. And truly we're proving it, because a pregnant lady, she came and she went in the water, and guys, the water got so rough. We put the jellyfish in a hole. Look at that. Ah! baby.
Yeah, nice. Stiff, you know?
Stick?
Stiff.
It's sticky?
Stiff.
Oh, it's dead, huh?
Stiff, like
Yeah.
bust now. Casting up the jellyfish.
Guys, that is very keeping a little service, a funeral service for the jellyfish. Guys, look at Ellie being silly. Guys, at this point, Obi was just dancing to George Banton's song. You know, it's a gospel reggae that says we all have to part one day. I laughed till I almost died. But right here, we're on our way to go get some ice cream to end the beautiful evening with. Guys, which other flavor to take? I don't know what to choose.
Rainbow sprinkles.
Rainbow sprinkles. Rainbow.
Great nut.
For my reason.
Romarise.
The best ice cream place in Connecticut. 3. Vanilla. Take it, Joel. Thank you. Nice, thank you. You can step aside, baby. You see yours? That's yours, Haley.
Here's another small vanilla.
Thank you.
Small chocolate Rainbow sprinkles.
Thank you. Looks delicious, Mama.
It's a birthday cake with Rainbow sprinkles.
Come, honey.
Regular rum raisin and grape.
Thank you. Mine, of course.
You can go down.
Thank you so much. And here goes another main reason why we love this ice cream place. There is this spot where you can just sit down, enjoy your ice cream, chit-chatting, and have a nice family time together. Until then, guys, we love you. Stay connected, and you can look out for us in the next one. Bye-bye.